The table insert is a removable plate that fits around the blade where it passes through the table. It is removable to make blade changes easier. Over time, the table insert will get nicked by the blade, causing a larger opening around the blade. Doing scroll work with narrow blades will often cause the insert to wear faster. Replacing the table insert is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the table insert from the bandsaw's table. I can just push it out from below. Now I can install the new table insert. Because the insert is pressed out of a piece of metal, you'll notice that one side is slightly rounded and the other has more of a sharp edge. I like to have that rounded edge up. That way if the insert is sitting a little bit proud of the table, the wood will glide over it easier. Also, if your insert sits a little low so that the workpiece snags against the table surface, you can place layers of masking tape onto the insert to shim it up to the correct height. Once it's ready to be installed, just place it around the blade, align the edge with the roll pin in the table, and press it in place. That's how easy it is to install a new table insert on your bandsaw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.